शयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गम् लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यम्.
Hello kiddos, let's start with chapter number 15, air and water around us. You know many things about air and water, but we are going to discuss new terms also in this chapter. So let's start. The things we are going to learn in this chapter is importance of air and water, why they are important for us, air and water pollution, how nowadays the air and water are polluted, land and noise pollution, which will be the next topic. So let's see them. What is the big idea of this chapter? We need clean air and water for living. Yes, children, to live, we need clean air and also water, which is very important for us. Let's talk about air first, children. Air is all around us. Wherever you go, you will find around you air everywhere. We cannot see it, but can feel it. Yes, air is something which you cannot see, but you feel that air around you. Air is useful to us in many ways. It is very useful to us. We get oxygen from air, which we breathe in and with which we are able to live. So air is very useful to us. Let's see how air is useful. It's useful to plants. Plants need air to make their food, right? They make their food with the air. If the air is not present, they will not be able to make the food. Animals need air to breathe. Yes, as we breathe air, the same way animals also need air to breathe. We also need fresh and clean air to breathe, right? We cannot live without breathing. So we also continuously need air, and that too it should be fresh and clean air. Breathing dirty air can make us unwell. We can become sick if we breathe dirty air around us. So we need fresh and clean air to breathe. Children, see there. How air can become dirty? Can you see in the picture? Yes, air can get dirty in many ways. There are many ways. The harmful things that are added to the air cause pollution. Now can you see this dirty air coming out from the chimneys? It can be from the factory, vehicles that get mixed with the air, and our air becomes polluted. It becomes dirty, harmful. Few more ways that are burning things that give off smoke. Now if you burn something, the smoke comes out from it and that also mixes with the air and pollutes the air. When dust is added to air, it gets polluted. Yes, when the dust is blown out due to storm and all, the dust is blown and added into the air and it pollutes the air. Dust gets blown by storm. When you have large storms like this, that gets mixed, that dust gets mixed with air and the air becomes dirty. We can keep the air clean in many ways. Yes, children, there are many ways to control this pollution and to keep the air clean. Let's see few of them. Cutting down trees should be stopped. We should not cut trees because trees absorb dirty airs. They take away dirty air from around us. So we should stop cutting down trees. In fact, we should plant more trees. More and more trees should be planted around us, and it will stop the air pollution. Trees and plants give us fresh air to breathe. They take away the dirty air around us and they give us fresh air to breathe. So we should have maximum trees planted around us. What else can we do to keep the air clean? Use a cycle or walk. Whenever you go somewhere to cover short distances, when you go in short distances, always use a bicycle or go by walking instead of using a car, motorcycle or scooter. When we use a car, motorcycle or scooter, it gives out smoke which pollutes our air. So it is better whenever you go to a short distances nearby. You always use a cycle because my cycle does not give out smoke. Or else you go by walking, which is good for your health also, and it will stop the pollution of air. Few more ways to keep the air clean is do not burn dry leaves and garden waste. Yes, many a times you must have seen someone collecting all the leaves at one place and burning it. And burning those leaves will give out smoke and pollute the air. So we should not burn them. These can be put in the compost bin. Yes, there are many compost bin where such leaves and remainings of the food are kept inside it, and which is very useful for plants. This compost can be added to plants. Yes, after putting it in the compost bin, it can be added to plants because it helps plants to grow very well. So these, rather than burning, can be put in the compost bin. Children, you can see in the picture, like air, we also need water to live. As we cannot live without air, we cannot live without water too. Our earth is covered by a large amount of water. Yes, you will find large amount of water on our earth. However, all this water is not drinkable. You cannot go and drink all the water. Everywhere the water is not drinkable. People pollute the water also in many ways, children. Water is also polluted. Like how? Many people wash clothes. You must have found in villages and some areas, people wash clothes in the rivers like this, which pollutes the water. Bathe animals in the water bodies. Yes, many times many people bring their animals in the rivers and give them a bath. Or else animals or birds like this take a bath in the water, which pollutes the water. Throwing wrappers, plastic cans and other waste into water bodies also pollutes water. Many a times you find such bins, such waste thrown inside the water, which pollutes the water. We should keep our water bodies clean. Yes, children, it is our responsibility to keep the water bodies clean. Water bodies means all the rivers, seas, oceans, lakes, ponds. We should not throw dust or waste inside it and try to keep it clean, because drinking dirty water can make us ill. These are the water bodies which give us water in our places. And if that water becomes dirty and if we drink such dirty water, we will become ill. Now children, let's see, as we saw how air is polluted, how water is polluted, the same way there is land pollution also. You can see in the picture how the land is polluted. There are other types of pollution that are harmful to us. There are many types of pollution and they are harming us. Now when harmful substances are thrown on the land, you must have seen many people eating some snacks and throwing the wrappers in the land itself. It pollutes the soil, it pollutes the land and the soil beneath it. and makes it harmful for the plants and animals. Now these type of waste is harmful to all the animals. They may try to eat it, and it is harmful for the plants too, because it is harmful for the soil, which is good for our plants. So these type of waste should not be thrown on land. Instead, it should be thrown in the dustbin. There is one more type of pollution called noise pollution. Yes, children, in our classroom, many a times we find this noise pollution. What is noise pollution? Loud and unpleasing sounds. They are harmful for our ears and cause noise pollution. When too much of loud sound is played and we don't find it good, that type of sounds may be harmful for our ears. Too much of loud sound are harmful for the ears, and these loud sound causes noise pollution. Now, how can we keep the land and the noise pollution? How can we avoid that is? We must keep our surroundings clean. We should not throw everything in the land nearby. Instead, everywhere there are dustbins kept. We should find the dustbin and throw the dust in the dustbin. Clean surrounding will help us to stay healthy. You very well know that we clean our houses every day. If we keep our house dirty, we will become ill. Why we keep our house clean? So that we remain healthy. Same way we should clean our surroundings. We should keep our surroundings also clean. Let's learn a new fact today in this chapter, children. Battery run electric cars. Yes, you must have studied about electric cars now, and which runs on battery. Same way we have electric scooters also. Do not produce harmful smoke. Now these electric cars and scooters do not produce smoke, and it is helpful for our environment. So try using maximum type of battery vehicles. So children, what did we studied in this chapter? That air and water are useful to us. So we should not pollute them, and we should save our earth. We should make our earth green earth, healthy earth by not polluting the land, by not making the noise and creating noise pollution. Hope you remember this, and everybody helps to make the earth clean and green. So we all will try to do that. Goodbye for now.